Hello guys, meeting tabiri bapumna magpu taram na okcheri. Mamang episode kidamakta adom thambirakiba comments ningidamakta su haininga laitana thagata phongdokcheri. Impact TV da sandokcheri ba Mami Mapao gi ngasigi yankairak shuba episode asida kari karama mapao singa du puzarakli bagi haibadu ahan ba thamjegi. Sumang lila ning tham kumhai loshin ki bagi mapao na ahan ba oina thamjeri. Christmas kumhai gi mapao na ani shubo oina thamjeri. Nagaland-based rock star John Pamay gi song release tawkibagi mapao na ahum suboy na thamjeri. Mari shubo mapao asina SSS Manipur 2019 pangthok lagani haibagi mapao. Aroiba amadi manga shuba asina Miss Manipur 2018 khankibagi mapao. So folks, ahan ba oina thamjeri ba Manipur State Sumang Lila Council na sinduna pangthok pa Sumang Lila ning tham kumhai loshin kibagi mapao asi menyang tamil.
Taramanga suba sumang lila ningtham kumhai tha sigyo khibatang kunmarida mapung phana loishin khrei kumhai ase palace compound leba iboyama sumang lila sanglenda Manipur State sumang lila council na sinduna tha sigyo khibatang taradagi pangthorakibani sumang lila lup taramari na sarugyaduna pangthokliba festival asidagi khangatlaba sumang kumhai nipan lakliba February thada pangthokani panriba state kala academy gi lila festival da utkadawni
Saklame, leithagi kaino. Nang sani mo hayo, kentin juma pulap layo ju leira do.
Ai na kentin salabadi, imana bi thara mu ki jangkane.
Tara da nete, nangi khangna sana ba loi pusalo. Kana gi saukidar pion go loi pusalo. Mani to me iren bu kana na salo ngam dilo.
Shelem na pai ko.
Sen gi di yam pai bana tida. Koi na paris di lufa hai ta. Ai gi mani bek ta yauri si sanga sa pilising ni sapi. Ai gi account gi yauri si di nang thibu ngam moida. Era ai kai video sumi hai kai video hai jin ai nupa masane haloi chukkan ni haloi bai sarkar ki thabak kan thabak lan hai shobu shoge nongge nongge di thabak ki thabak ngak ni na natan di talerga hey angang cha nakok tu sano ne hey yengo nama na ba sano bi kai sina ma gi nupi du lakko matam da log da gi gari di ung ba tu ma ama porei ba sina sunate sana bi ki lupa bi yengo mawusi lakko di mai mungsi kai dore nungai re na nangdi kari ore nasa hum siga nakong do di sao la dana numi chubagi nang khoi do sik ra ai wona khana hai hau do le do sharu kudne nakong do sanau ei
Mapung Fava Festival oiki lila khuding mak mai pak na miyang ni seva taw bangam do ibi haujik amuk mathangi lokhat chariba Christmas kumhai gi mapao asi amuk mening tamle
Malim sin betung na haraw taya magaluna na pangthok na riba Jesus Christ ki mapuk numit Christmas ki thauram iramdam Manipur ki ching amadi tam anigi mafam kayada miyoi cha kaya na saruk yaduna mapung fa na amade mai pak na pangthok ki Lamdam masigi tongan mapam kaya dan lairi church singda numid asigi ayuk angan madagi hauna lining laisol pangtokpa dharmagi oiba wapau santokpa amadi chaklen chamin naduna amaga yaipe pauzil pin abana kumaya sigi mapung oiba saktam oiki amadi kumaya sina chingi tami ani gi marakta amatoibagi wakalol poanki
Yamna chawna amadi mai pakna pangthokpa kumhaini pumna mapu chandi voice-ani. Mathangi thamjariba Nagaland da base tawba saknaiba rock star John Pamai gi illuminate haina mingthon ba isai release tawkibagi pawdam asi ni ingam.
Nagaland ki rockstar John Pamai ki anova video album Illuminate release tawkre. Kevi Puchon master tawriba track asi Nagaland ki Element Indies Studios da recording amade mixing ki thabak pangthokli. VH1 da isai kaya amasu release tawkrba John Pamai ki ahanba video album Far Away kumza lising ani tara tarukta release tawkibani.
I fight along with these tears. I keep them close with memories. Whatever it takes, I'll pay the price just to see you again.
Rock Pambiba Singi music collection expand tawnabagi kudong chabani mayam soida natabiyo. Matang aswaida atiyan ba break ang makaklawzage matanggi pawdam gidamakta. Please get ready. We will be back shortly. Welcome back. Adom ni yang biriba asi Impact TV da sandok chariba Mami Mapao ni. Haujik break ki matung asida SSS Manifa 2019 pangthok lagani habigi Mapao asi ni intamina.
Sahi kudingi pangthok pagum Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur amasung Film Forum Manipur anina sinduna Nipan Laksuba SSS Manipa 2019 lakliba February tarada Kaksing Dramatic Union gi holda pangthok lagani.
Sahi Kudingi Leptana Pangtokuna Laliba, Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur, Kakching Amadi, Film Forum Manipur, Ani Punna Kusam Naraga, Sataduna Laliba, SSS Manifa Film Award, Haina Mington Basi, Handak Nipalak Suboina, Kakching the Pangtokadori, Hana Toramba, Ibudo Kangamagi Mapamdu Nataba, Atopa Nova, Kakching Dramatic Union Gi Ground out Oina Pangtolagani. Kaksingi Sahitya Seva Samiti na makoina khanarba matungda Manipuri film si hinganabagi maram amadi aikoi senja songjiru mayam si award kumba khara semga sagala kanda makoide sahi goina leptani award na singba pidana competition tawragadi aikoi gi film sing si competition tawna ba haijimatabu aphaba film puthona gi masak amani aphaba artist folona bani aduna madugi wakhalona makoina torpase masi aikoi yamna puning thogani ngai ni adubu asumba organizations na siliba award ceremony ase aikoi sarkar gi maikaida film forum ga pullaga aikoi makhoi recognize tawbinaba makhoida kisu angamba senthang sahi khuding pibina naba aikoi handakti aikoi warep laure award sida yawba yaba aikoi gi film singdi 1st January dagina 31st December 2018 phobada censor lauraba amasung film forum da preview tawra film sing entry tawbi agani Asugumlaba Nipan Suba SSS Manifa Film Award asi Yaubi gi haina khandi basingna maru oina form da yauriba aikoina require oi haina khanjaba demand tawriba documents sing loina suna enclose tawbirakadabani karigumba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯗꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯕꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ
hiram asing matang da paudam laduna Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur amadi Film Forum Manipur adina sinduna Lamphel da laiba Sankirtakis da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Film Forum gi Chairman S Mangol Jauna Triple S Manipa sida Manipuri feature film amasung dialect film sing yauna tongan ba category da punna award kuntaruk lanthokani haina thamlaki Triple S Manifa 2019 gi film entry tawna nabagi damag form pisin bagi aroiba matam lakliba January 15 da o
Film Forum amadi Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur na khunai asida film chawkhatnaba lobiri ba thodang sing asi singthaningai ni mai pak asinba oibiu miyam su saru yapi hawjik ngasi gi aroiba amadi manga suba mapao oina thamjeriba Miss Manipur 2018 ni mapao asi mi engtam
Hello, my name is Tenzing and we are about to witness the biggest beauty pageant festival in all over the state. Yes, of course, you know what I mean. It is the Miss Manipur 2018, the biggest beauty pageant of the state. So we are about to witness all the beauties out there on the stage, and Mami Mapao is going to give you all the highlights. So stay tuned and let's check out the highlights.
State level Miss Manipur committee ni sindu na kumjala singani taranipan gi Miss Manipur tha sig yahu ki batang kunma thoi irai numita Palace Compound leba Chandakriti Auditorium da pangthokre
The contestants have just finished the third round in the stage, and now everyone is ready, waiting for the result for the top 10 contestants. So first we'll see, we're right now at their backstage. They all are taking selfies and relaxing right now, but soon we'll be hearing out the best 10 contestants, that is the top 10 contestants of Miss Manipur 2018.
I'm Linita Thongnauzam and I'm contestant number 8 and I'm from Thangwaiban Sinam Laikai.
How's it been till now? Like, what has been the journey, and how much confidence do you have right now, according to your performance?
Yeah, if I'm blessed, I think I will be among the top 10. If I'm blessed, what I mean is, yeah.
Of course, we surely hope you do. And then I think we know her that most of you must have I'll just let her talk because she's into some things that you guys will not believe she is in. So just
Hi. Yeah, some of you must have known that I'm a singer too. So that's it.
she's a singer and she has won some great deal of like other competitions, like singing competitions. Let's see how it is for the beauty pageant tonight. And please, I think what was the song? I forgot.
Heal. Yes, Heal.
There's a song called Heal from BM Productions sung by Miss Linita. So please check that out also. So we're going to meet some other contestants here.
I'm Saikom Daphne from Kongman.
And then from this side also. Can you please tell us your name? Excuse us.
Hi, this is Marilyn, and I'm from First MR.
How's been the journey? Can you share us little experience, Miss Manipur 2018 journey?
Through this journey, we get to learn many things, how to love, and how we have made many new friends, and it's really great, I guess.
The third round has just been over. You guys were all gorgeous. And what do you think? Like, who's going to be the winner, or do you have a chance?
Oh, since I made a mistake, I don't think I have a chance. But
You had a mistake.
yeah, I made a mistake because I was so nervous on the intro. That's the saddest part.
But you surely do look very confident to us. I hope that the judges by somehow doesn't see any mistakes and get you in the top 10. So all the very best for that.
Hello guys, I'm Ritika Devi Sapam, contestant number 12.
You're from?
I'm from Kwakaitel.
Did you have participated in any other contest other than this?
This is my first time in peasant industry.
This it is first time. So how was the performance?
I think I did my best, but I don't know what the judge might think, but I did my best.
Great. I hope you did. And then what are you pursuing right now?
I'm a hospitality management student of the Classic Hospitality Training Institute.
Wow. There now we have a great chance of winning another Miss Manipur 2018. How are you?
I'm very much nervous at the moment, but at the same time, I'm very much excited. And hopefully, I just pray to God that I get through it.
We see that you're very nervous. You're sitting in the corner alone, but still, we hope that she gets into the top 10 finalists. Can we know your name and your address, please?
Definitely. Myself, Lakpok Lakpa Melody from Tekcho Mamanglakai, and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Education from IRE.
Wow. And your contestant number is?
Contestant number 3.
So, right. So we do hope.
Turns out lucky for me.
We hope that too. It turns out very lucky for you, and all the very best.
My name is Nivedita Kungbalatpam, and I'm from Singjamei Chingamakha.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Agriculture at Sairam Langjing.
So you got into the auditions. Now you have just finished the third round of Miss Manipur 2018. How was it? And like the top 10 is almost going to be announced. How are you feeling?
It's really overwhelming. This journey has been so long. We got to learn so many things. We visited the old age home, and so many lecturers came to give us good advices. Until now, it has been an overwhelming journey, and I hope I get to top 10 and also in top 5, and I hope I become the winner also.
That was our contestants sharing their views before the announcement of the top 10. So we'll see after the top 10 who gets to top 5 and again to the main titles of Miss Manipur 2018, the main title of who is going to be the Miss Manipur 2018. We all will see the highlights, so check it out.
yellow ningol sing khakna saruk yadna pangthokiba sa henbi changdamnaba duda nagamapa lai mayum leriktage Raina Sharma lai mayumna Miss Manipur gi title phangba ngamkibaga loinana Wangjing dagi langpok lakpum melody amade lamboi khongnang khongdagi ngangom Vidyabati anina mathangsina first and second runners gi title sing launaki changdamnaba sida best designer yauna subtitle taramathoye basu khanki.
Now the final moments already arrived. We have already known the winners of Miss Manipur 2018. So we're right now on stage. They are having a very beautiful photo session right now. We're going to interrupt because we want to know more about the winners of Miss Manipur 2018. Of course, the title. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This is contestant number 2, and I'm Raina Sharma Laimyum. I'm from Nagampal Laimyum Lyric.
Congratulations. It was a great performance and a big thumbs up to you. All right, we have, of course, we met before, and then this is Miss Melody. She'll tell by herself. She's the first runners-up of Miss Manipur 2018.
Hello everyone, this is Lakpuk Melody. I'm from Tikcho Mamang Lekai. This is a contestant number 3. I'm very much honored that today I have been crowned as the first Princess of Miss Manipur 2018.
Congratulations and all the very big best, all the best of luck to to you and all of you for the future and also all the coming up years. So you've also been in the Miss Manipur 2018. How do you feel right now? You are now the first runners-up. You're achieving next by next. What's your next aim?
Frankly speaking, the feeling which I'm having right now is I cannot describe in words. I'm very, very thankful to my parents, to my teachers, my friends, because without their support and without their help, I wouldn't have been able to achieve this crown. So I want to thank each and every person who supported me. Yes, I was also the winner of Miss Pineapple Queen 2018, and today I am the first princess of Miss Manipur 2018. I am so honored. I'm so happy.
Well, well deserved. Congratulations. So we'll come once again to the Miss Manipur 2018. Every one of you'll be seeing a lot of her now. So now the Miss Manipur 2018. What's next?
What's next? I have to say I am preparing for my TISBET examination, so I need to clear that first because education to me is very important.
Any further pageants that will be around Northeast, or even do you want to try out for Miss India?
If I get the opportunity, yes, I will.
That's the spirit. We want to sure see you representing Manipur in all over the country. Now, here's our second runners-up who has done wonderfully well in this whole lot competition. So we'll know more about her. So where are you from? What's your name? Please tell us.
I'm Ngangom Vidyapati Devi, and I'm from Lambai Kongnangkong. And I'm finally an MBBS student of RIMS.
Really great performance. Thank you so much, and you guys were wonderful. Anything furthermore you want to go ahead after winning this title?
If I have the opportunity, I will definitely love to go and love to go for the challenge that is ahead of me.
Thank you so much, and well deserved. Congratulations. Well, those were the winners. Now, big well deserved. They all look gorgeous. You now got the winners of Miss Manipur 2018. Miss Manipur is becoming bigger and bigger every year, and the competition is getting tougher and tougher. What do you think? What will be next? And what is the next aim that we are targeting for Miss Manipur 2019, let's say?
Okay. We feel so happy that, we are improving, but okay, to be very honest, like we are looking for some support from the government side. If they help us a little bit more, then we could celebrate and we could organize in a better way. That's the thing.
That's the most important thing.
I will have to thank to everyone who have made this event a grand successful one.
Miss Manipur 2019 da diko hantang mukisidagi hena grand oiba mongda hena successful oiba mongda mayam gi support su hen galakani have it hazabalai because we have lots of supporters like Viores, Bradford, Classic, so many supporters. They had been supporting us from the very beginning. Classic Hotel has been supporting us from the very beginning. So we are expecting a lot like them who is very generous to help us to organize this event much better next year.
Ako'y na di audience na yeng mo tamde ko Miss Manipur kasi atuki matag na fazana yam pena yeng jay adubu they surely need a great help a great amount of help from the government. That's what they told us, and they are getting a lot of sponsors from the private firms. But this was the Miss Manipur 2018. You guys have watched the highlight. This is your host Tenzing with the cameraman Sumorjit. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the charming and beautiful ladies. Lemjaningaini. Thauram singbiriba singbusu haininga leitana thagachari. And folks, that's all we have for you in this episode. Mating episode ta anauba mapao kya amaga loinana amuk thengnanabagi tanja adu lawjage. Adumakpu, at the meantime, please do subscribe our channel on YouTube and never forget to leave your comments. Bye.